Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by protecting yourself and the glass. Wear gloves and eye protection because louvers can slip. Once done, lift the movable sash slightly to access the side channels and pivot pins. This is where removal begins. Make sure to prop the window open or have a helper hold it steady so you can work without strain. Peel any glazing or paint buildup away with a screwdriver. This frees louvers and reveals the crimped ends you'll release next. Now you'll remove louvers one at a time. This prevents sudden weight shifts. First unclip or unscrew the pivot stops at top and bottom so the louver rail can move slightly. You do this because the crimped louver ends often catch on stops. Then tilt each slat to the angle that frees its crimped end from the channel and slide it out toward you. Make sure to support each piece as it comes free and place removed louvers flat to prevent chipping. To finish, clear the side channels of old sealant, paint, and debris so whatever comes next, repair or full frame removal, works smoothly. Once clean, inspect pivot guides for bends and replace them if they bind. This is why removal matters. You need a clear path to repair. If a louver won't budge, apply penetrating oil to the pin area and tap gently with a rubber mallet. If that fails, cut the crimped end and extract the slat carefully. Then replace damaged parts.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.